Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Vikas Nara and in today's video, I will talk about Nextcloud. We will install it on a VPS using Docker. But before that, let me tell you what Nextcloud is. Nextcloud is cloud storage software that allows you to do file sharing, communication, and more. It's completely customizable. First, let me show you a demo of it. I have installed it on one of my VPS servers. You will see an interface like this. Here you will find all the options just like Google Drive for your photos and files. You can upload files and other content. Here. You can store videos and all other types of files here. Okay? And you can manage everything from here. You can access it on your phone. And you can integrate it with whatever software you have. So, first of all, let me show you its features. It has comprehensive file management features. Okay? Just like your phone automatically uploads photos to Google Photos. You can do the same thing with Nextcloud. You install Nextcloud on your VPS. Then after installing it on the VPS, you install the Nextcloud app on your phone. After logging in with your credentials, you can manage your photos here. So, the photos that you take with your phone get automatically uploaded here, just like Google Photos. Okay? These are all file management features. You also get security and privacy features. Okay? And look here, there are audio, video call, and chat features. In these features, you can see calendar, contacts, and mail. I have installed the mail feature, contact feature, and calendar feature. I'm showing you the same setup that I have installed on my server. This is the calendar feature. Okay. And here there is also a notes feature. This is that feature. And here you can also edit files and documents. You can also share them with others. Okay? For example, you have created different folders. Right? And here, for example, you can view files. You can edit them. If you edit a file locally, when you edit it online, your PDF will also update there. So, just like you get features in Google Drive, you will get all the same features here. And this is your custom solution. It runs on your own server. Nextcloud is open source. So you can use it by installing it on your VPS. Okay? It supports mobile devices. It has desktop applications. It has apps for iOS, Android, Windows, Mac, and Linux. Okay? And it also has various add-ons and extensions. Like the PDF viewer which I just showed you. Okay? These are all its features, and it has popular integrations which means you can integrate it with other services. You can integrate it with Zimbra, Office applications, and more. You can integrate it with Grafana, which is used for monitoring. Microsoft Office and Outlook have plugins, so you can integrate it through those as well. So you can use it with all kinds of applications. And the most popular open-source cloud storage solution is Nextcloud. So I have demonstrated it to you here. And whatever settings you need, they are all available here. And you can use it on your phone and your PC. And this is the official website. Whatever updates and news come out, you can see them here. Okay, so now we will install it on a VPS. So you should have a VPS and a domain name. You can run it on your subdomain or main domain. Where should you buy a VPS from? I have provided a list here. So you can buy a VPS from these providers. Get a VPS with port 25 open because the mailing feature will also be useful. So you should buy a VPS that has port 25 open. The one I will recommend is this VPS provider. You just have to click on this and you can buy a VPS according to your storage needs, 4 GB or 8 GB RAM, 50 GB or 100 GB storage, by according to your requirements. Okay? So after buying the VPS, you need to follow these steps. So here I have the IP address of the VPS. This is the root password of the VPS and the OS I am going to use is Ubuntu. You can also use the same. And the domain that I will use is this one. Okay? So you need to start the installation process here. I have already shown you the demo and features. Okay? So what do you need to do? You need to enter the VPS IP address in the host field here in Bitwise SSH software. You can also use PuTTY or other SSH clients. Okay? In the username field, you need to enter root and then what do you need to do? You need to copy your password. You need to click on login and then click accept for this connection. Enter your password and then click OK. So after logging in, you need to open the terminal here. Okay. Okay, what do you need to do after that? Come here. Here is my blog post. You need to come here. And from here, first of all, you need to run the system update command for your Ubuntu OS apt update. After that, you will install Docker. So I will copy the second command here. Paste it. Type Y and then press enter. OK. Then copy the third command, paste it here and press enter. Copy the fourth command, paste it here and press enter. Press enter again. After that, you need to run the system update command again. After that, you need to run the Docker installation command here. Click install, type Y and press enter. Okay, so Docker has been installed here. So after that, let's also install Docker Compose. So you need to copy the first command. Paste it here and then press enter. After that, run the second command to change the permissions chmod +x. It's done. Docker Compose has also been installed here. What do we do after that? Let's set up Docker's environment. So let's create a folder here with the name Docker. Okay, let me do it manually. Use dir with the name Docker, you can use any name you prefer. I create a folder with the name Docker. Then I navigate to the Docker folder using cd docker. Okay. What do we do after that? Run the dir command again. And create another folder with the name Nextcloud. And then I navigate to the Nextcloud folder. So where am I right now? There is a folder named Docker inside the root directory. There is a folder named Nextcloud inside it. I am currently in that folder in the terminal. Okay. After that, you need to create a file. You can use the Vim editor here, or I am using Nano. So type nano.env and then press enter. You need to copy and paste this code inside it. This is for the database configuration. You can change the MySQL root password or admin password from here. Okay, I will leave it as default for my convenience. Then I will save it. Press Ctrl+X, type Y and press enter. So this file has been saved now. What do you need to do after that? You need to create a docker compose.yml file. So I use the Nano editor. And then I do this. So this is the code. You need to copy it. Okay? I will copy it. I need to paste it. In this configuration, here, look, the MySQL host is the database name MySQL Nextcloud. Nextcloud and the password etc., it is taking from that .env file here. What will be the MySQL password? It is taking it from here. Okay. And the name of the image that it will fetch from Docker Hub is specified here. And the name of the container will be Nextcloud DB for your Docker database. So it will be easy for you to identify it. So I save this file now. Ctrl+X, type Y and press enter. Okay. And what to do after that? To run this, I execute this docker compose command. So right now our images are being downloaded and composed. And the installation will be completed here. Okay, so it has been built here. Okay. Now what do you need to do after this? Here's my domain, which I am using in this video. So what to do with it? I need to set up the DNS here. Okay. That's it. I will create 2 DNS records here. I need to create these records here. In one, I have put it here. In the second one, I put www here and then click Save. So, I have created 2 DNS records here. Okay. So, what do I do now? I will copy this domain name. And when you access it now, because your domain is not configured yet. Because I have not set up the domain configuration here yet. So, I will do that now. Okay? For this, I have set up the DNS here because I need to install SSL certificate on this domain. Okay. So, what do I do now for that? I need to copy and paste this command. Okay. Wait a second. What do I do with this CD here? I will go back to the root folder again. Wait a second. After coming to the root folder, you need to run this command. Okay, but before that, do you need to install Nginx as well? Okay. I will add this command here. I have not added it yet. So what is the command to install Nginx? You need to type apt install Nginx. Type it and press enter. Okay. After it's installed, you need to run this command. So, you will navigate here. Then you put your domain name here. When creating the file, if you use your domain name and the file name, it will be easier for you to identify it later. Okay, so I'll copy this name. And I'll type nano here. And I'll name it accordingly. Then press enter, and inside this file, you need to copy this code and paste it here. Keep in mind, in the server name field, you need to put your domain name here. Now I'll save it. Press Ctrl+X, type Y, and then press enter. Okay, what do we do after that? You need to run this command. You need to enable the configuration file you just created. And here also, you should pay attention to your domain name or the file name you created here. Okay. So I'll copy it. Paste it here and then press enter. Okay. Then you need to run this Nginx command. For Nginx testing. Here it's showing successful. The test means there are no issues in this configuration file. What do we do after that? Let's run the Nginx reload command and restart it. Okay, it's done now. Now you can refresh it in this way. Let me show you here. Here you need to open it without HTTPS. Because this is what's happening right now. So what do? I'll close this and install HTTPS on it. Okay. First of all, I'll run the apt update command again here for system updates. Okay. After that, I'll also install this command for SSL installation. Okay, this is done. What do we do after that? You need to run this command. Replace your domain name here. Okay. I'll copy this. I'll paste it here. Then it's asking for an email address. So what do? I'll provide an email address here. Use admin@yourdomain.com, type it and press enter. Type Y and press enter, and then the certificate will be created here. Okay. So the certificate has been created successfully here. Okay. So, what do I do now? I'll check it. It might still show the old version because cookies haven't been cleared. So what do? I'll check it from a different IP address. Okay. I'm using the Tor browser. I'll open it. Because here I get a different IP address. Yes, because of the cookies, it keeps showing the same old version repeatedly. So, I'll run this. Okay, just to show you that my installation is complete. As soon as I run this, something like this will appear in front of me. Okay, I need to enter admin here. I need to put admin here. This means you can put your desired username here. Here, keep the name of the account that will be used as the admin account. What do you want to keep? So I'll keep admin. And what about the password? I'll use this password for admin login. So, I'll use this one. I'll enter the password and click on install. So, if you get any such error, then what should you do? Come here and this is your command, copy it and paste it. Okay? After that, here's the command, copy it and paste it. MySQL, okay. Then, what is the root password for MySQL admin? You need to enter it here. So, you should know this. Here's my root password. So I'll enter the password here and then press enter. So something like this, our interface will open here as well. Okay. Here's the Nextcloud database name and its user password. You need to enter them here. So I'm using the default one. So I'll copy it. Paste it here and then press enter. Then copy this one. Paste it and then press enter. And then I'll exit. Type quit and then type exit and press enter. Okay. So that issue won't occur now. I'll continue again here. If you do it again, then that issue won't appear here. Okay? What will happen after it's installed is that you'll get some apps here. It will ask you whether you want to install them or skip them. So I need to install all of them. So you need to click on Install Recommended Apps. So all these apps will be installed one by one. Contacts, Mail, Nextcloud Office, which includes document editing, Word file editing, etc. All these features will be available here. The talk feature for calling, chat, etc. features will be available in it. Okay, so it has been installed. Now look here, something like this will appear. And your dashboard has appeared here. Okay, so what do I do after installing? I'll run it again in the browser here. Okay. Right now I have it open in Chrome here. So, I'll use this password. And my username was admin. I'll enter this password here and then click. You need to click on Login. Okay, after that something like this will appear in front of you. If you go to the Files section here, you can manage files, etc. Here, okay, you can upload files. Here you just need to click on Upload File. Suppose you have an Excel file or a Word file, you can edit all of them here. You can also upload them. It will appear in Photos just like you do in Google Drive, so here you can upload your photos and videos. You can create a new album by going to the Album section. And after creating a new album, by going to that album, you can upload your photos from here. Okay. And here you'll find videos in a separate option. Here you can also create albums for them. Like you can create albums such as 2024 videos, 2023 videos. And in those you can put videos, your trip videos, all of them here. Then there are contacts. In Mail, you can share files, etc. through email. So you won't have to go anywhere else for these options. And you can configure the SMTP settings from the administrator settings here. Okay. I'll show you the SMTP settings. Here in the administrator settings, then you'll find it in the basic settings. You'll probably find it here. Here it is. Here you can enter your SMTP settings. So whatever emails are sent to you will come through this configuration. Okay? And here the activities come in the Talk section. Here you can chat, etc. There are many features to explore in it. Now I'll show you how you can integrate it with your PC or Android app. Okay? So you need to go to Nextcloud's website. Here you need to click on Download. Then you need to click on this. And you need to download this one. I have already downloaded it. And I have also installed it. Okay? So I'll open it. When you come here, first of all you need to click on Login. Then it's asking for the server address. So the server address will be your domain name. Enter this with https://. What do we do after that? Click on Next. As soon as you click on Next, this browser will open. The browser will open and something like this will appear. You need to click on Login. I'm already logged in here. So here it will directly show grant access. Otherwise, here you need to enter your admin username and password. Then something like this will appear in front of you. So I'll click on Grant Access and proceed here. So as soon as this account is connected, come here. Look, it has already appeared here. Okay? And something like this has already appeared. So I don't need to create any folders, etc. Here right now. Like Outlook appears here. OneDrive appears here. Similarly, it will also be added here. You can add it. Okay, so I'll skip this. Okay, alright. And then something like this will appear here. So whatever changes are made in your cloud, you'll see all those changes separately here. Okay? When you click on the dashboard here, something like this will open in your browser. Now I'll show you how to create more user accounts. Like I'll create an account here. And I'll add that account to the mobile app and show it to you. Like I'll create an account now. I'll keep the name Vikas. Okay. And for the password, I'll set an easy password here. Okay. I'll click on Add. Let me put this here. I clicked on Add User here. Okay. You can grant it access permissions according to your preferences. So let me show you this on my mobile device. I will demonstrate all the available settings and configurations. How does this process work? What do you need to do after opening the mobile application? Go to the Play Store and search for Nextcloud. You need to install this application. I have already installed it on my device. So I'll simply click on Open here. When you open it for the first time, you will see a server address field, similar to what appeared in the Nextcloud software on your PC. You need to add HTTPS in the server address field and then enter your domain name here. Add .com to complete the domain and then click on the login arrow button. This will open it in the browser for me. Here you need to click on Login again. Now I'm going to log into the account that I just created. I created an account with the username Vikas. I showed you this process earlier. So I'll use the same credentials here. And then click on Login. Perfect. I've entered the credentials here. Now I'll click on Grant Access here. It's showing that the account is successfully connected. Excellent. Now I'll navigate back. I'll go to the Nextcloud app. And look, it has opened successfully. Great. You can create additional accounts here using the same process. Perfect. You will find all the settings and configurations here. That concludes this video tutorial. In this video, I explained the installation process and demonstrated the features. I've shown you how to connect both the Windows application and Android application. That's all for this video tutorial. If you want more videos related to this topic, please leave a comment. Similar tutorials will continue to be published on my channel. Please subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching this video.